Today I'm going to work on the 95 Civic. I don't really know which direction I'm going to go with. I'm just going to start knocking out little things as I see fit. Probably remove the tach, maybe try to get a correct ECU in here. Start going through, fixing. I'm going to take the wheels off, I'm going to lift it up. I want to take a look at all the suspension. I really want to take a look at that exhaust to see if I can figure out why it's sitting so low, if I could potentially salvage it or just toss it and buy a new setup. And just work on little things here and there. If you want to hang out and follow along with me today, please do so. And thanks for being here, guys. After getting these wheels off, they're not half bad looking. I've seen way worse. This G, I think it's a brand called Giovanni. Long time ago, I'm talking about like decades ago, I had a set of 18-inch wheels on a 94 cord. I think that's the exact same logo. These are 15 by 6.5 plus 40. Not bad. Nice tires. Gonna be able to make some of my cash back with those guys. The exhaust is all kinds of jacked up. Looks like the flange is still there for the header, but they welded this flex pipe to it, and then they welded a cat to that. And it's just one big solid welded piece. I'm just gonna see if I can, I don't even know if I can potentially lift it. I'm not sure what I'll do here. I may just try to remove that and put a test pipe and buy like a new eBay cat back just for something that fits better, and then maybe put my own muffler on. I don't know, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to use this setup. So I figured out why it sits so low. The exhaust, I don't know if you can see this. This is actually supposed to be flipped 180 degrees. They put this midsection on upside down, which is the reason why it hangs really low. I can't just flip it around because it's all welded together, so I think I'm just going to pull it off and buy a new setup, and then probably buy a new test pipe, and then I think I'll just grind off the flex pipe and see if I can save the flange. If not, I'll just buy a new flange. I think they sell them for like 25-30 bucks online, and maybe spend like about 160 to 80 bucks for a new eBay catback setup that fits the car much better. Since there's nothing else that I want to work on underneath there today, let's get these fitted on the car. So the Advan TC4s look fantastic on here. I had originally purchased these last year for my gold EK sedan before I ended up selling it. Never got a chance to get these mounted. Sold them to a close friend. He is putting something else on his EG hatch. I have been debating whether or not I want to run 15 by 8s or 16 by 8s. I really like the way this looks. I'll have to see it from different angles and different viewpoints, and once I get the car cleaned up. I'm digging it so far. Looks pretty pimp. I think that's all I'm going to get done tonight. Got all that turbo kit and exhaust wheel out of the car. Any trash that was back there. Threw away a bunch of trash that was inside the car. Just trying to get it ready so I can start doing some work on it. There was a bunch of like random, there was an alarm horn right here. And then over here, there was actually an old kind of HID ballast that was actually just sitting in there. It wasn't connected to anything. And then there was another little bulb that was connected to the corner light. They like fed the wires in. I pulled that out, just random wiring. I don't think there's really anything else I need to remove. Threw away those password JDM reservoir covers, super stretched out. I noticed when I lifted the car, like this piece is bent in a little bit. I think I'm gonna hook it up to my truck and kind of back this car up a little bit, see if I can get this straightened out, because when I was lifting it, it seemed to lift the radiator, and I think it was rubbing, pushing on the hood. It seemed to be pushing up this corner of it. So I think just because it's tilted back, it is raised a little bit. I'm gonna see if I can straighten that out a little bit. Probably will replace it in the future, but right now it just looks like it's bent back there. The tow hook is like bent at a 90-degree angle. It's almost flat. Just see if I can straighten that out a little bit, and so the radiator sits a little bit better. And next plan of attack is just keep moving forward. Remove the AC wiring. I'd like to get that fixed. I really want to get the exhaust fixed. And then I can just start doing other things here and there and see if I can get it ready for taking it out to the track. It seems like it'd be a lot of fun. But let me know what you guys think about the wheels. You like the 16x8s? These are 16x8 plus 38, and they are 215/45. Falcon Azenis RT615K. Like, these would be perfect to use at the track as is, the way they are. And I think honestly, if the car was obviously repainted with this color, it'd be a pretty cool looking combo, I think. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think of the progress so far on the little EG. And hopefully I can get more done on my next day off. I kind of squeezed it in towards the end of the day today. But I'd like to keep moving forward and get this car just road ready and have a little bit of fun with it. Thanks for taking a look today, guys. We'll see you next time.